Part 1, discuss about the Filipino uncommon words in the Philippines. Part 1, discuss about the Filipino uncommon words in the Philippines. Some of us already forgotten the word, and I'll give you some examples of Filipino uncommon words for you to remember or to be familiarized a bit. Filipino uncommon word that I use will be pangamba or nangangamba, which means in English is worrying about something that may happen. Third uncommon word that sipnayan, or in English is mathematics. Common words in a sentence. Nagagam-agam ng aking nakita ang iyong kalagayan. Nagkukumahog. Nagkukumahog ako nang nalaman kong ikaw ay parating. Kung ano ang ating taknang aralin sa sipnayan. For listening and please enjoy.